Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Ford F-150. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.